All right, everyone, this is John from Nickton Gaming, and today I am going to talk about the use of AI and programming. Um, for this video, I'll be talking about using AI with programming in Unity, but this is going to be true for all programming editors, whether you're using Python and JetBrains, you're using Java and Eclipse, you're using C# and Visual Studio, you're using JavaScript and Visual Studio Code. Whatever you're programming, you can use AI for. However, you should understand the benefits and limitations of using AI. Now, I do use Gemini, as you can see here, but the limit of AI at this moment is it is a glorified Googler, where you can Google something with AI and you can get a consolidated answer which is similar to what Google will provide. But it won't be trustworthy and it won't be 100% perfect. So you can't just type in create a script about this. You can, and it will give you something semi-usable, but it will not be 100% complete and fully functional, and a lot of times it's going to have errors in it. So AI is very useful in programming as a form of web search and as a calculator. But as you can see here, I say I'm using it as a calculator. I want to have a building that has 1,000 health. I want to repair it by 10 health every 10th of a second. And I want to know how long will it take to build this building without having to actually add a timer to my program and, determine it that way, or deal with any of the thinking that's involved in this fairly basic math. But yeah, then it comes out and it says, oh, it's going to take 1 second by increasing a number by 10 every 10th of a second. And I'm like, wait, wouldn't that be 10 seconds? And it says, oh yeah, you're right. It would take 10 seconds. Now, after I correct it, I can then go on to say I want it to do, I want to convert 100 seconds to minutes to tell how many minutes it would take. Then I want to say, what if I increase by 3 instead of 10? And it now provides that in the correct answer as 3.33 instead of 3.3, which is what it would have said before. And then I can go in and I can Google, I want to use this like dictionary thing, and it says, oh yeah, you're thinking of dictionaries, and it gives me an example of the dictionary. And then I can go on and I eventually get to how I'm going to pull from these dictionaries with group by and select and to list. And it's just an easy way to Google something that you might have forgot. It might show you something that you didn't know about before. So AI is useful, but 90% of the times when I help people that send me private messages, either on YouTube, in different forums, or my social groups like Discord and things like that, it is because they pulled something directly from Gemini or directly from ChatGPT and things like that, and they tried to put it directly into their program. So I recommend that you never copy and paste, but you read through, you notice the parts that you want, you experiment with them, and then you start adding it to your program. So that's just about it with AI and programming is use it as a calculator and use it as a Googler, but know that it makes many mistakes and the things that it provides to you will not always be correct, but it can at least provide you with something that you can take to Google afterwards to get a better result. So, thank you for watching. I hope this helps. And AI can be something to help you. Just don't have AI make your entire program, otherwise, it will never work. Have a great day.